So we're going to make a microwave s'more. We got the jumbo marshmallows, we got the graham cracker, and of course the Hershey's chocolate. First thing we're going to do is these jumbos, they're pretty big so you can cut them in half and they're still going to be absolutely perfect. We'll cut that in half. Now we'll break our graham cracker in half. We'll get that chocolate and we'll break that in half. Make sure it fills up the whole thing. Marshmallow on top. Now, when you put these in the microwaves, they'll be super sticky, so definitely make sure you put them either on a plate or on a napkin. And now let's go ahead and put that in there. That's a younger version of me. That was from about 10 years ago. And that's going to be for 10 seconds. Now, if you're doing like 2 s'mores at the same time, I think you do 20 seconds, and if you do 3, you can do 30 seconds. But that's about all you need to do right there. And you'll see that's nice and melted. And that is absolutely gooey loveliness right there. Oh yeah, yum. Brilliant. There we go. Tasty, tasty.